blooming of confidence. Sit in grace. The result of a professional designer's ingenuity. It shows the unique elegance of European women, born in pursuit of an extraordinary you. High-grade artificial leather and natural linen blend cleverly. Light and breathable, wear-resistant and durable, easy to clean. The interleaving of art reveals the rhythm of freedom. Automotive-grade sewing process. Create a unique silhouette. Every stitch is delicate and exquisite. Under the surface of the chair, high-density sponges are filled. Let every sitting be an artistic enjoyment. Confidence and grace. Perfect blend in this moment. Wisfor, the best aesthetic consultant for your home.